Hi everybody, it's Jen and I am here with the ASC design team package, and check this out. We have some of the new mix 'em ups, and these are the sequins, and these are really neat. So these are the gingerbread, and I think you'll still have time to make your Christmas cards and shaker tags if you order now. Look at the little balls in there, so super cute. House of Sweets is what it's called, so it's Christmas theme. And then I got the Alice in Wonderland theme, which is called Rabbit Hole, and there's little cards and sequins and all sorts of cute things. So these are the two I got this time, and then I got some last time too, which I'm going to show you again real quick. I got the Phone Home, which is their little aliens, the Winter Wonderland, the stocking stuffers, so all you need for Christmas, and then I got the Bite of Purple, which is little Dracula heads, and then the Witch's Brew, which is little Ouija board things, which are super cute. So I am going to be making some tags and stuff, so stay tuned for that. We definitely got to do that this week. I got one of the Lavinia stamps that I hadn't got yet, and I really like this one. I thought it would add a lot, or it could stand alone on a card. Just some vines. It's called Forest Leaf, and it's a good size. I got the vintage bookcase mold, and I really like this one. Can't wait to pour it. I may just do that here shortly and color those books in for a bookcase look. It also would look good as the outside of a book nook. There's that one. And then this paper was really fun. It's navy blue and pink, which I love that combo, and it's called Happy Birthday from Mente. And we'll do a quick flip through here so you can see the different colors. All pink, navy, and then some gold in there. It's kind of parts. So that'll be fun to work with, and it's a 6x8 pad. So Happy Birthday from Mente. And then I got the new Graphic 45 collection, Life is Abundant. So I got the tags and frames, and I love this. The colors are very nice. The black background with the vibrant reds and blues, golds, super cool. I got the ephemera. That will come in handy. An 8x8 calendar collection pack. So each one of these is like a different month. So this would be good for a year journal. This is the Patterns and Solids pack, and it also has calendar cards on it. So that'll be fun. I think we'll make a mini album. And then the Life is Abundant paper pack, and this is a hefty paper pack. Typically Graphic 45 is doing I think it's 8 each, and this one looks like it has 12 or 8 papers, 2 each. This one has 12 papers, 2 each, because of the calendar. This is hefty, so this is going to be a nice calendar collection. I've done a calendar collection I think 2 times before. It ends up being a really hefty album, so can't wait to start that as soon as I get my Christmas cards done. So that is my package. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you so much. Head on over to ASC Supplies on Etsy or asccraftsupplies.com. Use Scrapping Posh 10 for 10% off your normal price purchase, and hang out here so we can make some cards. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.